What would you do if you had 10 more hours in your work week? Would you finally put together that stuff you need to hire the VA you needed for the past year? Maybe spend some time with your family? Or how about actually working on money-generating activities instead of everything else? Start making your list now, my friend, because you are going to be having more time on your hands after you start implementing what I'm going to be sharing with you today. Hi there, I'm Melinda, the orderly entrepreneur helping program and course launchers streamline their business and their busy lives with productivity system and organizing strategies. So how are you going to be finding all this extra time? Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different ways that digital tools can help you save up to 10 hours in your work week. That's right, I said 10 hours. So first of all, what is a digital tool? A digital tool is anything that you use online or on your computer that can help you organize or create a system for things that you're doing for your business or your home life. As business owners who work primarily online, we use digital tools all the time. We just don't realize how they can gain us more time. And so that is what I'm going to be telling you today. Way number 1, have one digital location for your to-do tasks. Everybody takes care of their task list in different ways. Some people need lots of task lists, some people need one, some people use Post-it notes and their computer and their planner. But in order to save time, having them all in one digital location is going to be essential. And here's why. When you are using a planner and a calendar and something else on your computer and your phone, things can get lost, things can be forgotten, and things can go without being done. And that's what we're trying to overcome. So what you want to do is use a task management system such as Asana, Trello, or anything of that nature, and keep your to-dos in that task management system. It could be as simple as keeping a note on your phone, but what you want to make sure of is to be consistent with what you use and how you use it. Way number 2, use automation for daily recurring tasks. There are many things that we do throughout the day that we can put on autopilot and we don't even realize it. Something as simple as our startup routine or our end of the day routine list can be put into an automation in a task management system such as Trello or Asana so that it automatically comes up, it's automatically there, you don't have to look for it, and it's telling you what to do. Another example would be scheduling appointments. Many times we spend so much time going back and forth with, I'm available at this time on this day, how about you? And then you have to wait for the person to come back and they say, well, I'm not available then, I'm available at this time, how about you? It takes a lot of brain power, it makes us distracted, and it wastes time. So if you can get a calendar automation going, you're going to save yourself a ton of time. You can use something like Acuity, Calendly, or even Dubsado. Some more examples would be keeping your links all in one place. I have a video for that I'll link down below, and also using a Google extension called New Tab Redirect. You can check out this video right here and it will show you what that New Tab Redirect is. It's a life changer. It'll be so great. So make sure to check that out. Way number 3, pre-schedule anything you can. When we pre-schedule and batch our tasks, they will get done quicker without using the brain power that doing them individually will. You can pre-schedule things such as social media posts, weekly email broadcasts, or filming YouTube videos. Even putting your appointments on your calendar and then adding all of the information inside of that appointment on your calendar is pre-scheduling what you're going to be doing ahead of time and giving that future self some information to help you so that you don't have to waste time looking for it later. Way number 4, create templates. Do you ever find yourself recreating the wheel when you are setting things up? If you can create a template, it is going to help you out tremendously. Processes are the easiest thing to create templates for. So let's say you have an onboarding system that you've created for bringing clients into your program. If you can create a template for that, you don't have to do the tasks all over again every single time. You can create a template and then you can automate it. You can do this with your launch process, with the launch information that you do for every launch that you have. Using just a few templates for your social media can not only create continuity with your branding with your social media, but it also creates ease and simplifies the process. All of these tips are going to help you streamline your daily workflow, what you do on a daily basis, and it's going to allow you to show up better every day, reduce last-minute work, streamline your process. They can eliminate you from trying to remember things. They will keep you consistent, will get you information faster, and overall just make you feel better. Do you have ways that you use your digital tools to save time? I would love to know what they are. Comment below and tell me all about it. For more digital hacks, check out the video on your screen, and I will see you in the next video.